Hey guys, it's Aaron, and I am so sorry that I have not uploaded a video in so long. It's been a long time, but I have quite a bit to show for it. So, since I talked to you last, it's been about 8 months, and I kind of left unexplained about the whole ClashCraft project. But basically, in a nutshell, I was inexperienced, I didn't really know what I was doing, and I got way ahead of myself. I was jumping right into like the hardest project you could probably do, just recreate a whole game inside of another game, and I really had no clue on what I was supposed to do. But I'm finally back after 8 months of learning how to develop, and I think I have a fluent understanding of how exactly to make this now. So I'm coming back to the project. Anyway, as you'll see, I already have the server up here, but it's only for testing right now because I am working on this every day. So Clash of Clans, ClashCraft, Alpha 1.2, and it supports all versions of Minecraft between 1.8 and 1.9. So when you log in, just normal spawn here. The project's led by me because I'm the sole coder, but there are still other contributors because Toblet and JFat have been working on this spawn, which looks pretty good so far, but it's not completely done, so don't judge it yet. But I think it looks pretty good, and yeah, so it's themed Clash of Clans, and yeah, so if I type /island, I can go to my island, and you'll see it says my island is loading, and I do not actually have any buildings here. So the island will load in, and then yeah. So if I hold this interact tool, you'll see that this grid of redstone blocks appears. And oh, just wanted to mention this, ignore this other stuff in this world. I'll be moving the stuff, your island around so you won't see all this random garbage in your way. But anyway, you'll see your island has the grid if you hold a tool that can interact with it. So interacting is just for buildings, but you'll notice I do not actually have any buildings on my island. So let's purchase one actually. So you go to the shop and you can click on resource buildings right now and get a mineral quarry. And it'll pop in your inventory, and if you open it in your inventory and check the lore of it, you'll see that it tells you digs down into the deep to recover ancient minerals. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is that I'm renaming all of the stuff in Clash of Clans. So if I open this up, you'll see minerals is what gold is, essence is what elixir is, dark essence is what dark elixir is, and gemstones are what gems are. I actually have all this stuff done. I really just need to write in the actual amount that you have instead of to do. But yeah, so I got my mineral quarry. I actually need to go do that after this now. But yeah, I have my mineral core now, and that grid reappears, and I can place it on any spot on here. So this fixes the whole problem in Clash of Clans where it kind of gets difficult to see where things start and where things end. So this grid actually helps you place things down properly so you can have a more organized island. Let's assume I'm just going to place it here, so let's just do that. And it loads in immediately, but I'm going to add a delay to this so it'll be more accurate to the game. But that's actually like one of the easiest parts of the whole code, so I can go do that a little bit later on. Anyway, I can interact with this now, and you'll see it opens up this GUI menu, or GUI, whatever you want to say. And it's the mineral quarry, and you'll see this is the amount of minerals I've collected. And if I were to right click it now again, you'll see that it keeps going up like in the game it does. And I could click that and it would collect. Also, you can click move right now, and you can pick up your building and move it around to any location. And the cool part is, I can actually get another mineral quarry and place this down somewhere else. And you'll notice that this one actually has 0 minerals, and this one has 56 sorry, not 56, 0.56, now 0.83 because it keeps going up minerals, whereas this one now has, oh, that might actually be a bug, unless this one's up higher. Yeah, sorry. They're going really fast right now, but you'll see that they're completely different. And that's because there are 2 different mines, or quarries. And I can pick this up and move this around, just like in the game where you could pick up your buildings and arrange your island however you want. And even if you were to log out at any time, I have 1 in my inventory and 1 on the ground right there. So let's just assume this is like a grid, so 3 over and 4 forward. If I were to log out like this and then rejoin the game, you'll notice that my island will load in just like it did the first time, but this time it gives me the quarry that I had in my inventory, and it places down that one that was on 3 on this axis and 4 on this axis. So that's pretty cool because it loads in your island exactly as it was when you logged off, just like in the game. And the best part of this is kind of related to the code moreover than just what you see here. But the whole thing actually saves as variables basically in a text document. So all of your data is stored and it can never get lost. And in case there's any bugs or glitches in the actual game itself, you can just talk to one of the staff members and they can make sure that you aren't lying when you say I had like a gold mine at like that position or something and it just randomly deleted itself or something like that. You can tell the staff member and then they can check the text file and it will be there, of course. Also, that is the tab menu. You'll see ClashCraft MC and then it shows the list of players. It's pretty cool, animated, all that kind of stuff. And there's not much more for the server unless, other than when you type /island, it teleports you back to the spawn. Oh, also, if I give myself an emerald, Alright, now I have an emerald, and because I am the VIP rank, as you'll see if I talk in the chat, I can actually right-click with this emerald, and it'll open up this cool menu here. And here are trails. You can click on trails, and you can use any of these trails that you want. So, I don't know what I want. Let's just choose cloud. You'll notice that it actually works like particles do, and everyone will be jealous of you because you're literally like walking on clouds in the spawn lobby. How much cooler could you be than that? Walking on clouds. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, so hats, these are still in progress. I haven't gotten super far with these, but they are functional. So spaceman, deceased construction worker, all these are puns. Remains of Basher. Okay, I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that, but yeah. Bomb, and then this one is a little bit weird. Oh, yeah, that's the only one that doesn't work right now. I'm having a little bit of trouble with that, but yeah, see, the other hats work properly. I can choose any of these. Yeah, so I think that's about it, other than you can go right back to your island and it doesn't actually have to load a second time when you're already on the server. Yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys, and if you're hyped for the new ClashCraft, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I would just like to give you an estimate. I am pretty sure that I'm going to be able to release this server by either the end of this month or early to mid next month. So, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep updated with the new content on this channel because I am going to keep publishing videos like this one explaining my probably weekly progress. And see ya.